Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. So today we're making a video of how to make the AirPods wireless charge compatible. So as you can see, I do have a wireless charger right here. So of course, if you put the AirPods like just on the wireless charger, it won't do anything because Apple didn't make these wireless charging compatible, should I say. Now there's rumors about the second one being wireless charging compatible, but a lot of people already have the first ones and they're like, why do I want to buy the second gen just to get that feature? Of course it's probably going to be more features, but let's get into it. So check this out, guys. I have this product right here. Very, very cool. I did order it from Amazon.com, so I will have a link in the description below so you guys can purchase this as well. And you can see here in the picture, it just looks like an AirPod case. Just looks like the AirPods too, but now it has wireless charging kind of symbol right there indicating that yes, it will work. Here on the side of it, it says AirPods wireless charging case. I don't know if you can really read it through the screen just because it's so white. And of course, like I said, it has the wireless charging symbol as well. And yeah, so let's get into it, guys, and let's see how it is. As you can see, these are full 100% authentic AirPods. So yeah, let's get into it. So let's go ahead and open this up, and this, guys, is only $15 on Amazon. Like I said, I will have a link in the description below where you can purchase these, and it will help me out. It will be an affiliate link. But wow, first time opening these bad boys. Wow, so it does look like AirPods, just looking at it, but once you open it up, wow, it feels really flimsy, guys. Really flimsy, like wow. I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds pretty cheap, honestly. Yes, it was only $15 and it was made in China. So hollow case. I don't know if you can hear that. It's definitely hollow, and as you can see, it does have a lightning connector in the bottom. Let's see if it lets you see it. Like I said, I don't know. It's really small. Basically, this is how you charge the AirPods. It's gonna go in the bottom of this. So very cool. And then here's just like a little rubber holder connector just to keep this from basically falling off. So very cool. So let's go ahead and try this out. Let's see what else we get in here. I do like that it has foam, and then of course you do have a little manual as well, but pretty simple how to do. Wow, there's an LED light and there's a button. So let's go ahead and try it. Induction. Oh, so you're gonna have to put them from the front, it looks like. So to charge these, you're gonna have to put it from the front, not the back. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it out, and let's go ahead and see how it goes. Okay, cool. So you're gonna have to give it a little push down, and as you can see, it did go in successfully. I heard it pop in, and then this. Let's see how this is gonna go. Oh, okay, cool. So it does close 100% once it's in there. So as you can see, very cool. So let's go ahead and try it out and see. As you can see, it's not gonna go on the bottom because that's where the rubber part is, but there is an LED light right here. So let's go ahead and see if it charges. I don't know, it's not doing anything. I don't see it charging. Did I just get fooled? Oh, there we go. There you go. So sorry, my charging pad is a little weird. You have to put it at a specific point, but let me turn off the light. As you can see, it's a little green light down there. Let me see. I'm gonna turn off all the lights so you guys can see that little blinking green light. And there you go. You should be able to see it now. As you can see, it is lit, and it does have a little green light. Whoop. Oh, there we go. It's pretty cool. They're charging, so that 100% makes it wireless charging compatible now. So pretty cool. I am happy with it. As you can see, my wireless charger is also lit around, saying that it is charging as well. So 100%, guys. I would recommend it. So far, so good. $15 will get you this charging case, which is not bad at all. So like I said, we'll have a description below, and if you want to make your AirPods first gen wireless charging compatible, then this is the way to go. 100% proven and pretty cool. Also, it does work as a protective case. Now when you open it, it's going to be a little weird, but you can still get them out. So it doubles as a case, which is nice. That way, if you ever drop these, you know, it does make it a little bit heavier, and it still has your like reset button on the back. But remember, it just goes in the front, put it up here, and there we go, 100% compatible. Like I said, my charging pad, I don't know, it's weird off. I got it off Amazon too. So yeah. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the description below what you think. Like I said, we'll have affiliate links in the description below from Amazon. And also, you can check out my #1 supporter, netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code in the description below, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. Like I said, big sponsors of the channel, and they do help me provide you more products and stuff. So thank you.